Hello everyone! In today's video, we're going to be covering multiplying polynomials or distributing one to another to find a product. For our first problem, you'll notice that we have two parentheses being multiplied together. And how we'll do this is by taking each term and multiplying it by another. So let's start with the first x multiplied by the second x to get x squared. Now we're going to take the first x and multiply it by the negative 2 in the second problem to get negative 2x. Now that we've finished with our first x, we're going to move on to the 4. So we'll take it and multiply it by something in the other parentheses, 4x. And then finally, by the last number, negative 2. So we have 4 times negative 2 equals negative 8. Now what we're going to do is combine like terms to simplify this problem a little bit. So we keep our x squared because there's nothing other like that, and then we'll take our negative 2x and add it to our 4x to get 2x, and our 8 is left there negative and last. In this next problem, you'll notice that we have coefficients in front of our variables, and that's nothing to worry about because we're still going to multiply everything out the same way. So let's get started with our 3x multiplied by our 2x. We multiply the coefficients to get 6 and our x's to get x squared. Now moving on, our first 3x multiplied by the negative 5x in the second parentheses to get negative 15x. Now that we finished our first 3x, we're going to move on to the 2. So 2 multiplied by 2x equals 4x. And 2 multiplied by negative 5 equals negative 10. So we'll write everything out and then combine our like terms. Our 6x squared stays the same. Our negative 15x and 4x are added together to get negative 11x, and our negative 10 stays the same. Now, let me write out a problem that's a little bit different from the ones we just practiced. Let's say 2x plus 2 multiplied by 2x minus 2. And you'll immediately notice that the first term and coefficient in both of these parentheses are the same, and the second term have the opposite sign. So let's multiply it out to see what's special about it. So 2x multiplied by 2x will get us 4x squared. 2x multiplied by negative 2 is negative 4x. Positive 2 times 2x equals positive 4x. And 2 multiplied by negative 2 equals negative 4. Now, because our next step is to combine our like terms, we'll throw down our 4x squared, but when we go to combine our x's, we'll notice that they cancel out. So all we have to do is add the negative 4, and our problem of distribution is complete. We will get a result like this every time we are multiplying by two alike binomials with the second term being of an opposite sign. So just to prove that, let's try another one that's a little bit simpler. X plus 3 multiplied by x minus 3. Our x's together are x squared. X times negative 3 is negative 3x. Positive 3 times x is 3x. And positive 3 multiplied by negative 3 is negative 9. When combining our like terms, we'll see that the 3x and the negative 3x cancel out to leave us with x squared minus 9. And that has been this tutorial on multiplying binomials. Thank you so much for watching, and feel free to leave any questions in the comments.